Have you ever heard about cedar trees may seem like just tall trees, but they hold incredible stories. Few realize they help fight climate change by absorbing more CO2 than most trees, making them true heroes. That's resilience. Native Americans have revered cedars for centuries for their versatility. It's because of their unique structure, allowing them to thrive in tough conditions. So not only are they beautiful, they're smart too. Can you believe they help our planet while standing strong? You'll never look at trees the same way again. Imagine standing before a mighty cedar, knowing it's a champion of our environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.